We are going to the food trucks in Kortrijk. Yeah! Okay, I know it's not the most logical thing to do before you go to a food truck, but we went to the McDonald's to eat a Red Devil burger. The Red Devils are the mascot of the national soccer team. Like you see, it was good. We arrived at the food trucks and the first thing we noticed was a band playing very loudly for only a few people. Only a few meters from there we saw an old man. He was waiting for someone. Then we saw it. There was a running marathon. They were walking just through the guys who were playing music. Finally, we arrived at the food truck festival. As you see, a lot of people and a lot of food trucks. As I mentioned in my previous vlog, food trucks are common between April and August in different towns. There are different organizations. This one is from Barrio Cantina, also known as the Pole Pole food truck. Pole Pole is trying to get a South American atmosphere. There is also a HAP festival, HAP. They are trying to create a folk atmosphere. Biggest one is the Brussels Food Truck Festival. Asian in Belgium. Yep, those people are still running around. Okay, and some not. There are refrigerators with only one kind of drink. Voila! It's a tradition to push the lemon in the bottle. Come on, you lemon! Yeah, I ask myself, is this guy brave or is he crazy? I think he's brave to be crazy. We really have been searching for a toilet for more than a half an hour and we did only find one.